Okay, so here we go. So this is our very first step in getting ready for our baby photos. So the first thing I'm going to look at is our shooting area. So obviously my window ledge is a little bit higher up, so I've brought the coffee table in and I'm going to be putting the baby on here. If you've got low window ledges, you may be able to use the floor. In fact, you probably could in this room use the floor too. But I just wanted to show you with the coffee table. So the first thing that we're going to look at here is we're going to notice that, look at the table here where the baby's going to be. You can see we've got all these lines of light and shadow coming from the window because it's a beautiful sunny day outside. And while everybody thinks sunshine is a great thing for photos, it's not really, because look at those patterns on my arm. You don't want those going across baby's face, you don't want shadows and lines. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to get rid of everything like that, and all we need to do that is a simple, we just need one light cotton sheet and some pegs. You can use clothes pegs, I've got these, but you can use some clothes pegs, they'll work just fine. The cotton sheet doesn't even need to be ironed, doesn't even need to be super clean, it could be an old dust sheet, anything like that at all that you want to use. The idea only simply being that you use a single layer and it's reasonably thin, so cotton is ideal. So I'm going to show you what we're going to do. It's quite simple. What we're going to do is drape that down the back of the table, and then using our clothes pegs, we're just going to clip it to our existing curtains. So if you've got your curtains here, you just put a peg in there on one side, and on the other side of the table, and a peg on this side. It doesn't have to be super neat. You could do it a little bit tighter if you wanted to. Just tighten this side up just for neatness. It doesn't have to be super neat. It's just there simply to block the light. So now you can see, if you look at the table, it's got a nice even light. It is a little bit darker, but that's fine. We're going to manage that, so don't worry about it. The main thing is it's nice and even. If you look at my arm now, you can see the light is nice and even, no shadows, no lines across it. That's what we want.